Hello, today we're going to make some beautiful woven snowflakes with yarn and 3 sticks that were crisscrossed to make 6 sides. Snowflakes often come in 6 sides and you can use. So fiber art is whenever we use yarn, beautiful colors, soft things to make soft art. Fiber like yarn comes from cotton. And I'm starting with a beautiful blue to make an icy snowflake. The first thing we need to do is tie a knot. Tie the yarn around the sticks. So I'm putting the yarn behind, and then watch the shape of the string. First I make kind of a hook shape with the string, and then I pull it over itself so that it's made a curlicue. It's made a little circle or a loop. Now I push that tail under itself and out through the hole, and that made a knot around the stick. Now I just need to wrap this around the crisscross of the stick, and I can even use the tail a little bit too, to cover up the middle and make a solid dot of blue. You don't need to pile a bunch of yarn around the middle, just make sure it's a solid dot in the middle, maybe wrapping it around each direction 2 times for a total of 6 wraps. And that will hold the sticks together, even if your glue breaks. Now I'm going to begin my project. I'm holding the sticks like a paddle with my hand at the bottom, and I'm wrapping around the stick to the right. Now I grab that stick, hold it like a paddle, wrap around the stick to the right. Hold it like a paddle, go over and around the stick to the right. Hold the next one like a handle, go over and around. As soon as I wrap a stick, I grab it and go to its neighbor to wrap over and around. You can even see the yarn is starting to form a snowflake-like shape on the sticks. Every time I wrap, I grab that stick and move to the next one, over and around, over and around. Your hands will learn this and start to go faster and faster. And this is actually sped up a little bit, so you can see how I'm going to connect a new color. I let the yarn lay flat on my table, and I get a new color. I lay the 2 strings together with their 2 heads together. And now I, together as one, make that same hook shape, curlicue over, and then bring those tails under and through the hole, pulling both of them to make a knot. I pull it tight. And you can continue your circling, holding and going over the next stick. When you get to the knot, you're just going to need to make sure that those little tails get tucked behind, and then you can always trim them from the back. So my second color you can see is lying flat next to my first color, and I continue around. Here it is sped up a little bit, and you can see I continue all the way through this color, and we'll see what happens next. We'll get another piece of yarn, and we'll lay it side by side with the 2 heads together, make a hook, go ahead and loop it over, and then put these 2 tails back behind and through, pull it tight to make a knot. And you can continue in this way until you have made your snowflake as large as you want. Care for the knot, make sure it tucks behind. Enjoy!